Hi, my name is Yolanda Torres. I have been a hairstylist for over 20 years. I have always had a passion for my craft. I have also had the privilege of working in the music, fashion, and movie industry.
As you can see, my model has very damaged length and split ends from all the chemical treatments.
The Bonded Force shampoo gently cleanses and restores softness, shine, and substance to weakened hair.
Our first step is the Bonded Force shampoo. You want to basically work this in from the roots evenly throughout the ends. Be sure to completely rinse out the shampoo and towel blot very well before your next treatment.
Concentrate Vita Cement strengthens and repairs hair from within, providing increased shine.
Now we're applying the Vita Cement treatment. You want to work this through from the roots to the ends evenly. Work it through. Once you apply, do proceed this section by section. You're going to comb it through. And you could leave it in while you cut, or you could let her sit with a hot towel for a couple of minutes and then proceed to styling or cutting.
Cement Thermique is a leave-in, heat-activated, reconstructing milk for weakened hair.
Now we're going to proceed with applying the Cement Thermique. You gently emulsify, apply it from the shaft to the ends, working it through evenly. Brush it through so you get the product in there from the roots to the ends, and then proceed to style. Now we're blow drying the hair thoroughly. Make sure you get it completely dry. You can round brush it and style it to where you want to get it to prepare for your updo style. Now we're going to apply the Fiber Architect, which is a dual serum. It'll help repair and give her hair lots of shine for her updo style. So now we're going to prepare the hair for the updo by back combing each section, and you do this throughout the whole head. So now you're going to spray the whole head with the double force hairspray, a little bit all over, just to kind of give it a little bit of texture and body, so when you put it up, it'll stay a lot smoother and soft. Now I'm going to smooth the hair back very gently, pulling it back into a ponytail as smooth as you can, and touch up with the double force hairspray anytime. Now you're going to grab small sections as you go, back combing it very gently and lightly, and spray it as you go. Take a small section from the underneath of the ponytail that is not back combed. Grab 3 sections and braid it, and do a small rubber band at the very bottom that's not very noticeable. Once you're done with your braids, gently back comb it again. Lightly spray it, and you're going to put a rubber band at the very end of the hair. And you're going to roll it up slowly into a bun, and you're going to pin it secure it. Gently secure the hair, pinning it securely with your hairspray and your hairpins, and pulling it as you go to give it the fullness and the height that you need. Once your chignon is secured and smooth, grab one braid at a time and you're going to drape it anywhere you want over the chignon and pin it securely. Once you finish securing the braiding, you can add an accessory underneath if you'd like to dress it up. Here is the finished chignon, looking shiny and healthy. She's ready to go out on the town.
It would be a privilege and an honor to work with a prestigious company like Kerastase. Thank you so much for your time.